national manufacturer, specializing in animal feed equipment and biomass pellet equipment worldwide. Located in Economic Development Zone of Luling City, Shandong Province, China, the company enjoys the convenience of transport along the high-speed railway from Beijing to Shanghai. As a leading Chinese manufacturer in feed equipment, the company and products have respectively passed ISO 9001 Quality Systems certification. With the efforts of over 120 outstanding staff, the company has obtained over 30 patents on feed hammer mills, mixers, pellet mills, and complete sets of feed production lines. Most importantly, we have been taking advantages in customized design, automatic production, reliable quality, timely installation, and considerate after-sales service. There have been over 1,500 sets of pellet mills running worldwide, including Romania, Greece, Poland, Uzbekistan, Yemen, Oman, Senegal, Nigeria, Ghana, Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. In recent years, investment has been increased in manufacturing and technology, with total investment of 60 million Chinese yuan. A nearly 40,000 square meters manufacturing base was built. With 10 million Chinese yuan investment annually in technological innovation, automatic production, and integrative technology development, the company launches new products continuously, aiming to provide excellent solutions for customers in need of feed and biomass equipment. With high-cost performance products, durable quality, mature manufacturing experience, and perfect after-sales service, Double Crane Machinery is willing to become your long-term cooperative partner. Join hands with us and create a better future.